Welcome to Eskişehir, a city where tradition meets modernity, and riverside serenity flows through a youthful soul. As the sun rises over the horizon, it lights up a landscape unlike any other in Anatolia. Crisscrossed by the graceful Porsuk River, dotted with vibrant neighborhoods and lively boulevards, Eskişehir is more than a city, it's a heartbeat. This is episode 11 of Tales of Turkey, and this is Eskişehir. Along the banks of the Porsuk River, life feels like poetry in motion. Students sip tea under tree canopies, gondolas glide over calm waters, and couples stroll across charming bridges. Eskişehir's riverfront isn't just a view, it's a lifestyle. Here, you witness a blend of leisure and liveliness, where every passerby seems to be in sync with the rhythm of the river. One of Eskişehir's most beloved icons? The red and white tram. Rolling smoothly through modern streets, past cafes and fountains, these trams aren't just transport, they're nostalgia on rails. For locals, it's a daily rhythm. For visitors, it's a ride into the soul of the city. They tie together the old and new, the youthful and the timeless. Step into Odunpazarı, the historic heart of Eskişehir. Cobblestone paths lead you past colorful Ottoman houses, each one whispering stories from centuries past. Local artisans craft ceramics and glasswork as they have for generations. It's a place where time slows down, where the scent of hand-ground coffee drifts through the alleys, and where every wooden beam holds a piece of history. In the midst of old-world charm rises a bold statement of modernity, the Odunpazarı Modern Museum, or OMM. With its striking wooden architecture, it stands as a symbol of cultural evolution. Inside, contemporary Turkish and global art invite reflection, dialogue, and imagination. It's more than a museum, it's a meeting point of eras, of minds, and of souls. For the young and the young at heart, Zagoa Park is a world of wonder. Fairytale castles rise against blue skies, pirate ships await adventures on shimmering lakes, and the science center sparks curiosity at every turn. Families laugh, children explore, and memories are made. It's a magical blend of fun, education, and fantasy, all in the heart of Eskişehir. In Eskişehir, flavor is a form of heritage. Bite into a freshly made iborek, crisp, golden, and filled with tradition. Try balban kofte, smoky and savory, topped with yogurt and butter sauce. And don't miss the sweet, delicate met helvas. Every dish here tells a story of ancestors, of family, and of a city that celebrates its roots through every bite. Eskişehir thrives on creativity. Its youthful energy pulses through murals that color the walls, through melodies from street musicians, through the laughter in book cafes. With its large student population, this city beats to the rhythm of freedom, of expression, of dreams. It's a canvas of culture, bold, expressive, and alive. As night falls, Eskişehir doesn't slow down, it glows. The river reflects shimmering lights from bridges and cafes. The city's heartbeats echo through music-filled streets. Cozy bistros, open-air venues, and warm laughter invite you to stay just a little longer. It's not just nightlife, it's life illuminated. Eskişehir, a city of stories, of youth, of soul. Where the past embraces the future and every corner offers a new discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of Turkey's most dynamic cities. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Tales of Turkey, your window into the magic, the mystery, and the heart of this incredible country. See you in the next episode. From the calm of the Porsuk River to the pulse of student life, Eskişehir leaves its mark not just on maps, but on hearts. This is Tales of Turkey, and our journey is far from over. See you in the next episode.